If you want to work on YouTube or are thinking of creating a channel, then you need a niche. Niche is the topic of your channel. A channel niche is what your channel is based on. The niche plays a big role from channel audience to earning. A good niche means more audience. More audience means more earnings. Although the purpose of creating our channel should not be earning. If you make a mistake in choosing the niche, you end up in the first stage. But there is no reason to fear. Today I will show you how to select a video niche according to your skills. We will discuss 4 steps in this video. If you can suitably apply these 4 steps to your channel, you can choose the right niche for your new project.
Maybe the first project.
Let's start. Before selecting a topic for your YouTube channel, should know yourself. What do you like to do? What do you enjoy doing? What is your passion? See, nothing is possible by force. Suppose you love to cook, but you try to force yourself to run a technology channel. If you move yourself to do what you can't, that's where your problem starts. Each of us has some hidden talent. Discover the skill or interest of passion. The niche should not be selected only by looking at the audience's demand. But audience needs are also necessary. I am talking about those who choose a topic based on search results only. Doing so will put your career on YouTube in jeopardy. More valuable and skilled creators are coming to YouTube. Then the competition will be high, and if you don't have the skills for the niche, you will be left behind. And if you use your passion, a chance will be created for your YouTube growth. But what if you don't have any skills? You will get the answer in the next step. If you have the skill, then keep improving it regularly. This will give you great content ideas. But what if there isn't? If you don't have any skill, then build your skill on a specific subject. Currently, the one who has more skills is ahead. If there is no skill, then know your interest and build skills on a subject. This will help you to select your niche. Now you have found a niche, but what will you do? Where do you get content ideas? YouTube is one of the most valuable tools for getting content ideas. Enter your niche in search and click this icon. Click the filter option and select the channel from the filter option. Select the first 10 channels here. If nothing else, keep watching the videos on those channels for the first 10 days. Your work is done. After that, you start thinking of content. You will see that the content idea will automatically start to come into your brain. After that, search your content on Google. You will find many articles on this topic. You can also design your script from these articles. I deserve like and subscribe to this tips. Please subscribe. But the content idea is not enough. Content also needs views to see the next step. Finally, you found your content now, but will the audience watch this content? To know this, you need to do keyword research. Don't be afraid, very easy. One of the most helpful tools for keyword research is the YouTube search bar. Here I wrote, how to cook, which means I will make cooking video content. After writing this cook here, many ideas are coming below. I selected any keyword from here. Now I copied this keyword. Now I will go straight to vidIQ. I will select keywords from here. After that, I pasted the keyword and clicked on Overview. Here is the keyword search volume and competition. From here it is understood how much keyword content will help you. I will make a detailed video about keyword research. So this was like today. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching other videos on my channel. Leave a comment and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye!